Elevate your Google Slides presentations by transforming ordinary photos into stunning circles, instantly adding a professional and polished touch that will captivate your audience. Let's get started by inserting your image into your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already, go to Insert, then Image, and choose the source of your photo. Once your image is on the slide, click once on the image to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear around it. Now, look up at the toolbar. You should see a Crop Image button. Click on that. When you click the Crop Image button, a drop-down menu will appear. Don't click the main button itself just yet. Instead, hover your mouse over the small downward pointing arrow right next to the Crop Image button. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Mask Image. Hover your mouse over Mask Image, and another submenu will appear, offering various shapes. Now, find the circle shape from this list. It will look like an oval. Click directly on the circle shape. Instantly, your image has been transformed into a perfect circle. Notice how the cropping handles have changed to give you more control over the circular mask. You can now resize this circular image by clicking and dragging on the corner handles, just like any other object. And if you need to adjust the position of the image within the circle, double-click on the circular image. This will bring back the original cropping handles, allowing you to pan and zoom the photo inside its new circular frame. Perfect for creating profile pictures, adding decorative elements, or simply making your content more dynamic. With this simple trick, you can add a sophisticated and professional touch to your Google Slides presentations, making your visuals stand out and impressing your audience every time.